Well, hello, all you beautiful people. Hey, I just wanted to talk to you about the Herbs for Health series. I'm using the email that's coming out this month as an example. This month, we're talking about one of my favorite herbs for respiratory and gut health, thyme. Thyme is our herb of the month. If you sign up for Herbs for Health, you'll get emails that look like this once a month. So, using thyme as an example, here's what you'll get. You'll get beautiful images of thyme so you know exactly what the herb looks like, a little bit about the botanical and the gardening aspects of thyme, and then a little bit about how we can use thyme to support your health. And I've also included some really practical recipes that you can use as well. So I thought I'd just show you this email so that you've got an idea of what it looks like. And then I'm inviting you to sign up to our Herbs for Health series. Once a month, you'll get an email from me about the herb for that month, and it'll be packed with information, not just about the herb, but how you can use it at home as well.